my gosh, it is snowing. You guys, it is the first snow of the year. Ah! And look who just woke up from his sleep. Hello. He's so mad. Why are you so mad? You're living like the best life ever. How are you tired? You guys, this is like his 7th nap of the day. Look at this loaf action though. Like, look at this loaf. I'll cover him. We're gonna tuck him in. Look at how cute. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. He is, yeah, he's zonked. I'm gonna turn off the big lights so he can actually sleep in peace. And then we're gonna get started. We have a lot to do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, yay. I'm still a little bit sick, but I think my voice is back. I'm okay. I just do sound a little congested, but that's fine. Today, I'm actually gonna share with you guys my hobbies outside of studying and studying. So basically, if you guys don't know, my channel is all about studying and being productive. But today, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite hobbies slash one of my favorite things to do, which is sewing and altering clothes. I actually have a lot of hobbies, so I feel like I want to share that with you guys. Like, I feel like that's what I want to make this little community, this little page about. So I guess we'll see as time goes on. Oh, one of my hobbies is my nails. Look how cute my nails are. I did these. I'm getting better. So I think this looks pretty cool. Like, it's not bad. I did mess up the chrome on this side, so you can like kind of see the difference. This one looks better than this one. But hey, I'm learning, you guys. I guess I gotta make videos. I think I'm gonna make videos about nails too, because I actually do like to do my nails as well. Honestly, best decision I've made is learn how to sew and now do my own nails, because I am saving so much money. Because if I got this done at a salon, girl, I would be making a dent in the bank account. But anyway, enough yapping. Let's get into sewing, and I'm probably gonna switch to voiceover because sewing is very loud. I look like an egg right now, but I actually just did my skincare, and it is like several hours later. After I started sewing, I just got carried away, and then I started editing photos, and then I was studying, and then I remembered that I was supposed to be filming all of that. So I'm back though. I did my skincare. I'm gonna keep studying. It is currently 11:21. Whoa, it is 11:21. I do have work tomorrow, so my goal is to sleep within the next hour, no later than that, because I actually do want to wake up early and go to the gym. So I will see you guys tomorrow to finish off this week's vlog, because it seems like I'm going to be struggling to film the whole day, and it probably will be better to film snippets of my day. So I hope you guys will like the style, but I don't know, it's my first time trying it. I hope it works, but I'm going to keep studying, and then I will see you guys tomorrow.